Multiply 38,500 by 0.12 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 2. 2 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 8 plus the carried 1 is 17. Put 7 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 7. The first partial product is 77,000. Now use the next digit to the left, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. The second partial product is 385,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens, and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the thousands column, 7 plus 5 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, 7 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. In the 100,000s column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 4. The product of the whole numbers is 462,000. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 462,000 becomes 4,620.00. That is simply 4,620. So 38,500 times 0.12 is 4,620.